All right, sorry, been a little while since I recorded. I'm going to show you how to take my SomaCube project, I think. Really not sure what I'm doing, not the first time. I'm going to copy this workspace, and I'm going to say SomaCube pieces assembled as a Sphinx. Sure. Hopefully it copies right here and doesn't end up somewhere else. Interesting. All right, well, I got all my pieces. That makes me happy. Green and purple and all this other stuff. So that this is getting in the way now, but that's okay. So the assembly I want to delete because this is in a shape of a cube. It's actually the exploded view right now. So I'm just going to delete it. I don't know what that said. I should have probably read it. Now here's my drawings. Oh, which of course now it's going to fail because I got rid of everything. Out here, if you recall, all these sheets, one piece, two piece. If you saved your work, you don't have to redo all this. There's my seventh piece. Maybe. Guess I got lazy. And I wonder what 8 is. Whoa, that's trippy. Well, that's why I'm deleting all this. I'll start drawings from scratch. Too big, scaring me. All right, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's make an assembly. All right, and since I'm in the same file with the other 7 pieces, it should not be too hard to go find them. Nice. I want this piece. I'm gonna lock this one down. That's not what they call it. They call it fixing. How ironic. I am gonna turn it. Hello. Done with that. I'll come back and assemble more in a minute. Interesting. Must have something connected. Oh, it's fixed. I can't turn it. Well, that was stupid. All right. Anyway, let's put the rest in. All right. I've got my model sitting in front of me off to the side here. So that's the up to the left. This piece goes right here after it's turned a little bit. And then the orange piece, well, it's orange over there. The green piece goes up top. And then I put this piece right about there. And then this piece right about there. I gotta go look at the other side. This piece over there somewhere. And this piece right about there. All right, now I gotta assemble them all. I'm gonna start at the front. So I want to turn this. See if I can figure it out. This one, about 90 degrees that way. Good enough. All right, and I think I'll move it up, make it easier on me. And then out here a little bit. Okay, I want to mate this piece, so let's go find planar mate. Some of you figured out a better way to do this than I did, which I thought was smart. I'm gonna mate you and you. Check. Nice, exactly what I was looking for. Got lucky. All right, now this is a weird one. I want, looks like it's close enough. I think I can go for it. I want the corner here to hit this corner right there. I'm not getting the face I want. There it is. Notice how slow and deliberate I am when I do this. A lot of people are clicking very quickly, hoping for it to be done in a blink. Doesn't work. You gotta be patient. Stop that. There we go. Need to rotate this. I gotta get out of planar mate. Rotate this way. I don't think I have to, but makes it easier. All right, and let's planar mate this top corner. And so I've got the face. I've got the top corner. And I've got the face, and I've got the top corner. Thing of beauty. So far, so good. Let's see, what am I missing? The long piece goes here. All right, this one comes over here, and it spins around and goes down. Let's see, down. I gotta spin this a couple times. Like that. Good. But also like that. Oh, that's wrong. That'll do. Cool. All right, and yeah, let's get that in there. So I want, no, I think I'll go with the back corner. I'll go right here. Connects with here. Thank you. Looking good, looking fine. And I believe this one goes over here and spins. Yeah, I think that's where it goes. Let's connect the little purple with there. That should work. So we go in here. I'll take the lower corner, make sure I got the face. Make sure I got the face and the lower corner. And check. Looks good. One to go. I'm going to spin it. I just don't trust this computer program otherwise. Cool. And then let's put the bottom corner. Make sure I got the front face. I do. Corner with that. Check. That is my Sphinx. I'm not going to lie and say I'm not pretty darn proud of that, because I'm pretty darn proud of that. All right, so that's how you assemble the Sphinx. Now you're going to go and make drawings, which, like an idiot, I deleted all of them. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. Get out of here. Create a drawing. Yeah, we're going to put it in there. Now you got to do the 1 through 7 pieces. If you've already done them, hopefully you didn't delete them like I did. Really not the wisest move I've ever made. Move you over here where I can see you. And actually I got to go back to the assembly. I gotta go make a blown up view. I forget how to do this. One of these. Excuse me. Exploded view. Add exploded view. Zoom out. Click. Drag. Click. No, I didn't say that. See, again, don't go too fast. Click. Drag. Done. That was weird. Click. Drag. Why not? So there we go. Wasn't really done now, was I? Click. No, click. Wow, that's a slow process. So I'm reteaching myself. Check. Click somewhere else. Click. Drag. Check. Click somewhere else. Click. Drag. And I'm really making these a little bit too spread out. That's fine. It's your problem, not mine. Check. Click somewhere else. Click. Drag. Check. Click somewhere else. And I'm going to do a twofer. Yeah, just leave it like that. So now you can see all the pieces. All right, now I believe there was something to save here. Named views, exploded view, Sphinx. Guess that's it. Done. It goes back together because I'm done with my exploded views. Cool. Go over to a drawing, and I want to put in an exploded view. So insert, and I just grab the assembly. assemblies. Yep, great, and we're all happy. And I just click it. Got it. Haha, lucky me. And explode one. That's not what I called it. That's not what I want. And I don't want a front view. I want a isometric view. All right. Wow, I get lucky a lot. It's almost like I know what I'm doing, except in this case, that joke doesn't hold up because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just slapping things up here. What happened to my color? That's right. I got to call it shaded, right? I hate that. Shaded. What does that even mean? Well, I don't want to show you everything. Let you figure some things out on your own. Okay, fine. I showed you. Make sure you don't have hidden views and show shaded view. Look at that. It's thinking about it, and it does it. How nice. And then I think we put the bomb in up here somewhere, didn't we? Yeah, look at that bomb table. How cool is that? Yeah, sure. Why not? Click somewhere else. Nice. Now I got to go through all these and relabel that part 1, part 2. See if I can find one that's been labeled. Red piece. See how it says red piece there? We go back to the drawing and it'll say red piece. So we got to go label all these. I'm not sure how to do the part number, but whatever. You guys are smart. You'll figure it out. And then we do the little bubbles. Click on them. All right. Part 1 is the pink piece. Let's see if the red piece is actually 7. All right, it is. How cool is that? So there, that gives you a lot to do. And here's the fun part. That's the Sphinx. You get to do it for your own after that. Anyway, have fun.